guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Nikki here, back to you with a, guess what, another Makeup Mondays with Nikki. I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial. Because it's the beginning of August, I decided to do a August birthstone makeup tutorial today on my eyes. I hope I got the colors real close to the picture, and right up here you'll see a picture of August's birthstone, which I think, if I'm pronouncing it right, is called Peridots. But anyways, let's get right down to the tutorial. Alright guys, so as usual, I've already done my face and half of one eye for you here today. I'm going to go ahead and let you see the results of that. You might not be able to see it real good because of the lighting that's in this room at the moment. But as you saw in the intro, it was very good. And today, I decided that I'll be using 3 different greens. This right here, this dark green right here, is going to be number 1 green I use. This green right here will be number 2. And this green right here, you can't really tell, but it's a glittery green in the middle of these two. So this is green number 1, a dark green. Green number 2, like a lime type green. And green number 3 is kind of like a mixture of the dark and lime with a little glitter to it. So what I'm going to do with green number 1 here, I'm going to put that on my eyelid. And green number 2 up here, the lime green, is going to go on my crease. And then green number 3 is going to go on my eyelid again to make it a little glittery, per se. So I'm going to go ahead and use my eyelid brush and get some dark green on there for you guys. And if you hear anything in the background, it's probably my son because I have the door locked. Or it's probably my daughter because she's in here with me. And also I have a miniature fan running on me because I do not have this back window open. So I'm just going to cover my whole eyelid. Sorry guys, I hate when the light does that. So what I do is I cover the eyelid once and I went back over it. Even though it's a dark green, it's not super dark. It's like a regular type of green, like green grass type green. I just want to make sure it's all over my eyelid. That's all. Okay, so when I get done with that, I'm going to take my brush to get ready to do my crease. Is what I'm going to do. Just going to move the camera around a little bit to see if the light, okay. So I'm going to go to that second green that I showed you guys earlier. This one right here, number 2. Get that ready to go on my crease area. Also, I use a little white, but I'll show you why. Straight onto my crease. I bring it to my outer corner right here of my eye as well. And on the inside to this corner as well. As you can see. Now you might not be able to tell because it's a light green with a dark green. But it's just the way I wanted to do it. Now I'm going to go over it a second time. Me, I like going over it a second time. Maybe even a third time if I want the color to really pop. Now you can kind of see the lime green going on there in a way. So just make sure it's in the crease. And when I make sure it's in the crease, I'm going to, once I put it in the crease, I go ahead and get my next brush to go ahead and do the third color right here. What I said was the glittery one. Now of course you can't tell. I'm just gonna dab it on my eye, if you can tell, like this. with the brush at first. That's all. I caught myself in the eye for a second there. All I did was just dab it on my eye. And that's about it right there. Now with white, what I did was I went with this white up here. This white right here in this corner. And I just put a little bit on my finger. And because the color was like a different, like 2 or 3 different shades of green, and a little white on the little ruby, I just dab some white on there. Give a little taste per se. And that's it with the eye. That's pretty much it. See? Simple. Now, of course, I decided to go with red for my lips. So, I'm going to go ahead and line my lips real fast for you guys. My lips. Now I finally found my lipstick per se, red, and it has little doggies on it, but it's this color. It's like a red purplish shade, and it's called Dragon Fruit. So all I'm gonna do is fill my, I'm sorry about this light, y'all. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry about this light. There it goes. Came back in. So see a little better. It's a dragon fruit. And I'm just gonna fill that in per se. So once I fill it in, next I'm going to take my LA Colors Lock and Lip color. This is the lip gloss part, and this is like the glossy white of the lip gloss. So, what I will do is take this end, just to make it glossy. I want it to be glossy, you know. So, gonna dab some of that glossiness on it. And that's about it. So, I'm done with my eyes and my face and my lips for you guys. And all I'm going to do is stand up so that I can open the window a little bit to shine some light in here for you, so you'll be able to see with natural light per se. And there it goes right there. I'm just going to shut my eyes for you for an overlook. Alright guys, that was the end of another makeup tutorial. And I will see you guys. If you did like it, please go ahead, click the like button for me. Go ahead and subscribe and comment more that you might want to see for next time. And I will see you guys next Monday. Also, don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can be notified with all my uploads, like this one right here. Alright guys, see you next Monday. Bye. Hey guys, and again, I hope you enjoyed that makeup tutorial I did for you today. Every month, at the beginning of the month, the first Monday of every month, I'm going to try to do the month's Birthstone color makeup tutorial for you guys. And if you like these kind of videos, go ahead and comment down some more makeup tutorials you might want to see me do. And like I said, if you did enjoy it, please go ahead, like and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you will be notified every time I upload a video. Alright guys, I'll see you next Monday. Ciao.